Yeah, Blockbuster date is. Yeah. And here's a tape box side. Yeah. And here's a tape box side. Get over it. And it was printed on July 12, 2001.
Coming soon to theaters.
Following previous stats were volunteers by the Motion Picture Association of America.
Oh, they met by chance.
I'm sorry. These were, perhaps there's another pair you'd like. You like beige?
No, hate beige.
He fell in love at first sight.
Is this a date yet?
This is not a date.
Just checking.
Favorite New York moment.
This one's climbing the charts.
I'm flattered.
But she had to be sure it was destiny.
That was an accident.
There are no accidents.
This is wrong. You don't have the most incredible night of your life with a perfect stranger, then leave it all to chance, do you?
See this book?
I do.
Tonight when I get home, I'm going to write my name and number inside it, and then first thing tomorrow morning, I'm going to sell it to a used bookstore.
What happens if I meet somebody before I find it?
You won't.
That's just crazy.
Hey, it's Sarah. My name's Sarah.
Now, 10 years.
Cheers.
2 engagements.
I gotta get it.
And 3,000 miles later.
Tell me something romantic.
Like what?
The only girl in the entire universe meant for you.
You got cold feet. It's perfectly normal. It's not cold feet.
Only fate can decide what the future will be.
You should probably move back to England. It's probably a godsend. British women do not age well.
My Sarah! Woo!
I mean, maybe you have to make your fate happen. Like, especially when you get the right clues.
All right, so if we weren't at the bookstore hunting down this book, then you wouldn't have come home at the exact right moment, and you wouldn't have found the receipt.
A receipt from 10 years ago.
I'm staring into the sky thinking about this mystery guy I met 1.5 million hours ago. It's very possible that I threw the whole thing away.
I need an old address for Sarah Thomas.
I need the address for Jonathan Traeger. I'm looking for a Jonathan Traeger.
You must be late.
Late for what?
The wedding.
Hey, what?
It's not supposed to end like this, man.
John Cusack, Kate Beckinsale. When love feels like magic, you call it destiny. When destiny has a sense of humor, you call it serendipity. Now available on video and DVD.
Following previous stats were volunteers by the Motion Picture Association of America.
Stockbroker Darrell Chase was on top of the world.
You are the man.
Nothing can touch me today.
But he's about to go to the top
Sorry? Me, Daryl. Ah! Free!
of the most wanted list.
No! I'm in trouble. They think I killed 2 cops.
And his only way out
You gotta get out of New York.
is for Wall Street
Don't talk to anybody.
to get street smart.
Yo, what up? What's the uptown nothing like yourself doing down here with us charming folks?
I need to get to Mexico.
And people in hell need ice water. A fat woman wanna be skinny. A midget wanna be tall.
I'll take that as a yes.
Now, this big shot
Hey, baby, steady, look.
will be forced to switch with this big mouth.
Hey, Mr. Chase, in the blue suit.
Hey, what is your problem? There's not gonna be any Rodney Kings going on.
The prime rib, medium rare. That's the way we used to have it when I was in Harvard. Mama had a yard bird, and I bought it off Slim Malt Liquor.
I don't believe we have split small liquor.
No slip on liquor.
presents
I'm smarter than you. You smarter than me.
Eddie Griffin.
What is up with your eyes? Oh, I get it. That way you can scope on her without ticking her off.
Orlando Jones.
I'm sorry. You may want to hold on to that.
That's all right. I can throw a bullet at you.
Double Take.
How you doing, sister?
Yeah.
How much fun they gonna have? It's the first time for everything.
The 50s, a time of contentment and family values. But just under the surface lurked the most insidious evil known to Mom.
Look, Margot, there's your Susan.
Rock and roll.
Your mother and I are really worried about you.
Dad, it's rock and roll.
Cook and make the bed. They gotta make rock and roll instead.
I am going to prove that this music is a drug. A very addictive drug that puts you in a state of unrelenting ecstasy.
We're gonna get some. Dimension Films presents Golden Globe winner Renee Zellweger and Howie Mandel in the film that puts rock and roll on trial.
I think he's kind of cute. They have Negroes on that show, Frank. Hey, you have Ella Fitzgerald record, but I would never go see her in person.
But best of all, we got music.
Shake, rattle, and rock.
I rest my case.
The following previous tests were performed by the Motion Picture Association America.
Are you ready for the truth? I believe comic book heroes walk the earth. I believe you're one of those individuals.
I'm just an ordinary man.
No, you're not. Why do you keep saying that?
It's hard for many to believe there are extraordinary things inside themselves.
Don't worry. I will tell you.
It's all right to be afraid, because this part won't be like a comic book. That is when it's time for someone like you. Unbreakable.
I bet Maria could beat up Virgin.
Now available on CD and cassette.
Get over it. Music from the motion picture. Get over it. Music from the motion picture. In stores now.
And now, our feature presentation.
This is a modified surgical version. It's format Ear TV.
She was the first girl to see me naked. Granted, we were 7 years old at the time, but I had a feeling, even then,